Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We put about s plus 2 multiplied by s minus 1. So this one we will have about s squared minus s plus 2s minus number 2. Negative s with 2s, you got about positive s. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared plus s minus number 2. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. We have 2s plus 1 ds. This one we change by u. 2s plus 1 ds we change by du. This one we can write into u to the power of negative number 4 du. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of negative number 4 plus 1 over negative number 4 plus 1, and we put about c. This one we have negative number 3 over negative number 3, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.